To cash out refi in general, you need 20% equity position in your house. Again, that can be through appreciation and loan pay down. That doesn't have to just be your loan pay down from when you bought the property. So that's why a lot of people did it in 2020 and 2021 because their house value went through the roof.
Right.
They all of a sudden had this equity that they didn't think they would have.
So they got double benefit. I think this is important.
Yeah.
They got double benefit. They did a cash out refi, took out money, and lowered their interest rate, saving them money every month.
Correct. My first ever refi, not to go down a rabbit hole, my first ever refi and loan was somebody who did a cash out refi, went from a 30-year to a 15-year at a 2.5% interest rate and took out $40,000 just to have in reserves, and his payment still dropped by like $300 or $400 a month. He was like, he cut off like 7 years on his loan by that time.
Yep.
Got $40,000 in savings just for reserves because he's like, the money's so cheap, and dropped his mortgage. He was like, this is a no-brainer.